Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group. Let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app. Then if you tap on here, you guys can find out new group option. Then choose the person whom you want to add to your group. For example, I'm gonna choose this person and also this person. And then if you tap on here, they will ask you to add a group name. Now you guys can also add group permissions. If you tap on here, then if you want that the participants can edit the group settings, you can allow them. But if you don't want this, then you guys can turn it off. If you guys want that the participants can send messages, you can also allow it, or if you don't want, then just turn it off. And if you guys want that the participants can add other participants, then you can turn it on, or if you don't want this, then turn it off. Then if you want that only you can approve new participants, then you guys can also do it if you turn it off. Now let's go back, and if you tap on the check mark, then they'll start to create your group. So this is how you guys can create a WhatsApp group. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.